Energy. It's the thread that connects our company's history to a future of continuous innovation. It's the passion we put into searching for excellence in raw materials every day. The most renowned suppliers in Europe have always been our partners, ensuring a reliable and consistent product. It's the attention we devote to all manufacturing processes. Each production phase is followed in detail by our specialized technicians. It's our commitment to offering a complete range of welding products, from consumables to accessories, all the way to welding machines designed, built, and tested one by one in our production facility. It's the spark that drives us to seek perfection during innovative and continuous quality controls. It's the power of teamwork in a company with deep roots in a productive region that brings value to all of Italy. INE's energy is in every industrial welding process that requires high performance, elevated safety, special processing, and automation. It's in every job, executed to perfection. INE's energy is your welding power.